Use our Google Alerts app to display an RSS using a URL from Google Alerts. Go to the Apps tab and add Google Alerts. Give the app a name and a description if needed. Copy and paste the RSS feed URL here, then select the refresh rate in minutes. Set the maximum number of posts you want to show, then set the orientation. If you toggle off Display Post Image, only the text of the RSS feed will be displayed. If it's toggled off, you can toggle on Show News Logo instead. If you want to show progress tiles, toggle this on here. Set the duration for how long each news post will be displayed in seconds, then customize the font and colour of the app. You can set the default duration for how long the app will appear in a playlist here. Keep availability unticked if you don't want to schedule the app, or toggle it on and set the start and expiration dates. This means the app will not be displayed outside of these dates. Click Save and your app will be ready to display.